Hey guys, this is Chris here, and today I'm going to show you how to do a hair tutorial. I'm going to start off with just doing the outlines of two heads because I'm going to show you two different hairstyles today, a man and a woman's. So here's two heads. And I'm thinking about doing the girl's hair in orange. Maybe a redhead. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to start closer to one side and then just do an arc and a wave kind of going down. And it gets a little bit wavier and smaller waves as it goes to the bottom. So you're just going to keep doing that. Keep on doing it. And it might get a little bit boring, but actually I kind of think it's a little bit fun. And maybe if you want to add a little depth, you might want to add a couple more squiggles, like maybe going behind and coming out on the sides. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And yeah, she just has really long wavy hair. And if you also want, if you have different color markers, I mean, you can add highlights. If you wanted to have pink hair, you can also do that. Really, whatever you want to do. So just get creative with it and keep with the creativity. All right, and now for the guy's hair, I'm going to do that in a little bit of yellow here. Basically, if you're doing a guy's hair, maybe if you want to have it like to be a little bit of a swoop or like a little bit of a mohawk in the front, faux hawk, I guess, if you will. You start on the sides, about where the sideburn line is, and you go up, just kind of making it small strokes, kind of like its hair. And then you're going to make a little swoop on the side. This guy has a little bit of a fancy hairdo. You can go on the side like that, just down to where the sideburns are, and flesh that out there. And maybe that's a younger guy's hairstyle. Maybe if you want, you could throw in some ears. But there you go. There's two different hairstyles. Enjoy.